We're now going to invite all of the grade 12s to the stage for their final bow at an OCS music show. Please welcome all of our lovely graduating music students to the stage. A little speech. I had to write it out because if I go off script, then it's going to be game over for everyone. So come. We're going to read it word for word. Okay? Here we go. Before we finish tonight, I just want to take a moment to recognize our grade 12s. You have been such an important part of this program. Not just as musicians, but the way you've supported each other and set the tone for everyone else. It will be hard to imagine the program without you. You are going to be missed. What I hope more than anything is that music doesn't stop here for you. Whether that's joining a choir somewhere, playing in a band, or just jamming with friends, keep it in your life somehow. Thank you for everything you've given to this program. We are so proud of you. Give it up for the grade 12. I think we should get on our feet and give it up to the grade 12. Everyone, stand up and give it up to these wonderful musicians. And you can take your final bow. Have a lovely evening, everyone.
Can we also get a huge round of applause for Mr. Griffith and Mr. Raccoon? Thank you for your countless hours of dedication to mentoring, guiding, and supporting us, and giving us the platform to bring the Lost at Sea show alive here tonight. We'll miss you both so much. You truly changed our lives for the better. And of course to our audience, whether this is the first time you watched us perform or if you watched us grown up since grade 9, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for coming to the show.
Go down and take your picture.